Today I'm just doing a bit more wiring as it's quite bad weather out there. I'm going to wire in some USBs that I've got. We've already got quite a few USBs on the boat, but there's none at the minute by the table area. There used to be when the old table was here, but I took all that out. So I'm going to put some new ones in today. I'm going to put ones either side. I've got them here somewhere. Turned up yesterday, so we'll see if I can get these in. Show you what I've got. If I can get those in. I've just got a couple of cheap little simple ones just to put in. You notice I've got a 2.1 and 1 amp charge in there. I've mainly got that because the iPhones seem to charge better on the 2.1 and the Samsungs seem to charge better on the 1 volt charging. Don't know if there's any particular reason. I don't know much about phones, but that just seems to be what seems to work with them. Don't know if there is something special about it, but I'm going to drill some holes, get these put in and get the cabling in. These USBs I've got actually come with a little inline fuse that you can just undo that, pop the fuse out if you needed to, pop a new one in. I'm a little bit undecided whether I'm going to use them yet, because where these USBs are going to on the helm, the switch, that's already got a fuse in it. The only advantage with using this, I suppose, is if something's wrong with one USB, it's gonna put this fuse out and not all of them out. So you just basically wire this into your switch at your helm, which I've got. Just pop that on there. That's it, job done. This one is one of the older ones that I've got. Because this, you can see it better like that, it's a surface mount, and this is obviously flush mounting. But where I'm putting these ones, it's better to be flush mounted. These are the old ones, which were all flush surface mounted. So I'll see how we use it for something. But if you have to, you can actually unscrew that and take it out, and you've got the same bit, but without the housing. Just something you might find useful. Just about to fit these USBs. I've marked out where I want them on there and there. I've just used a block of wood that way and that way on both sides, because I'm not too fussed where they are really, and that just seems to work having them there. So I'm going to drill these holes. I've drilled the hole where I want it. Now it's just a case of pop that into the hole, get the backing plate on, just tighten that up. Doesn't need to be overly tight, just hand tight is enough. And that's where the new USB's going in. All you got to do is connect your cable up onto the back there from wherever you're getting it from, whether you're using the bit of cable come with it with the inline fuse or going straight to a switch on your dash. I don't know how you're doing that, but that's pretty much it. Just another thing with these USBs, make sure you get them the right way round, because they do have a plus and a minus. From what I can see, Most of them all seem to be a gold, one side, silver the other, and the gold seems to be the plus. And all of them I've looked at, as you look at it that way, it seems that they seem to be on the right hand side is the plus. Just make sure you do get plus and minus the right way round. Just another little hint. I've also put 220 on this boat. I don't know whether I'll ever use it, but that is just a little garage consumer with the 2 switches there, one which could be for your lights and one for sockets. The lights I'll probably never ever use, but wiring that up I've used a 4mm cable, which is obviously the blue one here. That's going to go to some box up here somewhere on the outside that you can plug in. Then I've got a same sort of cable, but it's a 2.5, which will run to any sockets I put in. I'm actually thinking about over here on the back deck somewhere, when I finish building that, is to put one socket there with a battery charger, one of the trickle chargers what they use on a motorbike, just to keep the batteries topped up if I am somewhere for a long period of time and there apt to be no sun or something. So that should keep them nice and full. And as for the rest, I don't really know what I need electricity for, so I might put a socket in a plinth underneath there, but as I say, I don't really know why I even put it on, but we've got it now, so we'll see what we can do with it.